Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Innovation and Study. As we had completed in the last few days our topic past tense, so let's do the practice session of the topic past tense. Okay, so let's begin the practice session with questions. Okay, so I am assigning you the number of questions, and along with that a few minutes time to do the to complete the questions. Okay, and after that I am answering to all those questions. Okay, so let's begin the practice session of the topic past tense. Okay, now my first question is, रेखा ने सवाल पूछा, मैंने तुम्हें नहीं देखा. And the third question is, क्या सोमा ने इसे देखा? Okay, now I am assigning a 1 minute time for you guys, and meanwhile you need to complete the 3 questions, and after that I will answer the above 3 questions. Okay, so your time starts now. Guys, your time is about to finish, so kindly do the questions fast. Yes, now your time is complete, and we are here with the answers of the above sentences. For the solution of the first sentence is, Rekha asked the question. Okay, now the solution of the next sentence is, that is मैंने तुम्हें नहीं देखा, is I did not see you. And the third and the last sentence is, क्या सोमा ने इसे देखा? And the solution is, did Soma see it? Okay, so match up your questions, match up your answers with the questions. Okay, and if you had mistaken in any of the sentence, so kindly correct it. And if you have any doubt regarding any sentence, any solution, kindly mention in the comments so that I can answerable of the sentences. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, now the first sentence is, and the first sentence is, चिड़िया गा रही थी. Okay, now the next sentence is, मैं अपनी शर्ट नहीं सुखा रहा था. Okay, and the third and the last sentence is, क्या मैं सो रहा था? Okay, so guys, I am assigning a 1 minute time again to do the above 3 sentences. Now your time starts now. So guys, your time's up and we are here with the solution of the above three sentences. And the solution for the first sentence is, that is, चिड़िया गा रही थी. The solution is, the bird was singing. Okay. Now let's move on to the next sentence. मैं अपनी शर्ट नहीं सुखा रहा था. And the solution is, I was not drying my shirt. The third and the last solution is, for the sentence, क्या मैं सो रहा था? Was I sleeping? Kindly match up your answers with the solution that I had provided to you. Okay? Now let's move on to the next slide. And we are here with the question. The first question is, मैं सूरज उगने से पहले ही चल दिया था. ओके. एंड द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज, वह 5 साल से इस घर का निर्माण कर रहे थे. So guys, I am assigning a 30 seconds time for the above two sentences. Kindly do the solution in between the time, and your time starts now. Now I am here with the solution of the sentences. The solution for the first sentence is, मैं सूरज उगने से पहले ही चल दिया था. And the solution for the first sentence is, I had walked before the sun rose. Okay. And now the solution for the next sentence is, that is, वह 5 साल से इस घर का निर्माण कर रहे थे. Okay. And the solution is, he had been building this house for 5 years. Okay. So guys, I hope you like the practice session. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubt regarding any sentence or any class, kindly mention in the comments. Definitely solution will be provided from our end. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified about the upcoming videos. Okay, have a great day ahead.